Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am showcasing a glueless closure wig install. So this service starts at the shampoo bowl with a clarifying shampoo, hydration shampoo, and then today we also did a steam hydration treatment on her just to make sure her hair is protected while she is wearing this install. Now you see me just going through and applying some heat protectants, prepping her hair for the detangling and blow drying process. I'm taking my Rusk blow dryer with the pick attachment. The pick attachment I got from Sally's. It's just a universal. Honestly, it's the best I've ever used. So if you need one, definitely try that one. They stay sold out, so it's best to order online. I'm not doing a trim, so I really just need to get the hair dry. She is doing a curved side part for this install. So what I'm doing is I'm just using my comb to section out her part to match up with how I already have it sectioned out on the wig. This eliminates the need to use a bald cap underneath. She has really low edges. So to try to help these not peek out, I'm taking some braiding pomade, applying it to her edges and brushing them back. And then I'm using braiding hair for her braid down just to help the foundation last a little bit longer. I'm not the fastest braider, but I do try to make sure that I braid as neat as possible to make sure that the braids are strongly secure and that they will last throughout the duration of the style. This is supposed to be a protective style. I know that there is a lot of debate on TikTok and everywhere about protective styles potentially being scams or whatever. I personally recommend using this method as a protective style because it's not long term. When I say long term, I'm comparing it to the alternative of maybe getting individual knotless braids or things like that. When you get those type of styles, people are wearing those for 2 to 3 months in most cases to get their money's worth out of the style. I more so promote shampooing and conditioning and treating your hair every 4 to 6 weeks just to make sure that you are staying on track with your growth and length retention goals. While she's wearing this style, she has 100% access to her scalp. She's able to scratch freely. She's able to apply any topical ointments, oils, scalp serums, things like that to treat her scalp. She's able to massage her scalp to promote blood flow to the areas where she's trying to increase growth. She will come back about every 4 weeks to get her hair shampooed and conditioned, braided back down, to get her wig shampooed and restyled. And she's able to do all of this and treat her natural hair while not having to sacrifice the look. She's still able to serve the look, but not in a way that's going to compromise her natural hair goals. Right now, I'm just applying some scalp serum and some growth oils to lock in the moisture that we have applied to her today. This braid down will last her for a while as long as she ties it down with a scarf every night so it doesn't get frizzy too fast. Braids are neat and interlocks. And now we're ready to apply the wig. The wig that we are working with for this install is from ISEE Hair, ISEE Hair. They are an online wig boutique, and this video is not sponsored, but I have worked with their units in the past. So I did recommend that she try this particular company just to see how she likes it. Right now I'm just showing you the inside of the cap. So this particular wig, they now have removable wig combs. So that whole wig comb there can be taken out of the cap. You can slide it down and slide it off. I know some people have issues with those wig combs irritating their scalp. I personally don't like wig combs. So that is a really nice feature that they do have. The wig also features a removable elastic band. Here I am just checking out the lace. The lace is 9 by 6, 9 inches across the forehead and 6 inches of parting space going back. The elastic band is adjustable. There I am just adjusting it, making it a little bit tighter. And here I am applying the wig to her head. I like to take the band and slide it behind the ears around the nape first and then flip the wig back. I find that method to be easiest for getting it situated and then making your adjustments once it's on. This wig literally came ready to wear. The knots were pre-bleached. The lace was pre-plucked. All I had to do was curl it and add some baby hairs. So I literally pulled it out the pack, inspected it. I did not see a reason to go over it and re-bleach the knots. There are some wigs that I have worked with from other companies that have said that their knots are pre-bleached, and I still felt the need to go behind them and do it again. Did not have that issue for this particular unit. So before she arrived, what I did was I pre-parted the wig, molded it with my hot comb to make sure that it was in place, and I went ahead and pre-curled it with I believe a 1.5 inch curling iron. She likes big curls, and we all know when you use a big curling iron, you have to really let those curls set before you start manipulating them. Now that we've got the wig in place, I'm sectioning out where she wants the baby hairs. As you can see, this closure provides a lot of coverage across her forehead. It's basically a mini frontal. 9 inches of parting space across the forehead. That's really as close to a frontal as you're going to get while still remaining glueless. You don't have to worry about those ear tabs flapping like you have to worry about with the full 13 by 4 frontals, even when you are wearing them the glueless way. They're never 100% glueless. You still have to tack the ear tabs down for the most part. So I've pre-sectioned out her baby hairs. I went ahead and cut them. Nothing special. I used a real small flat iron to curl them up. And I'm just taking some Nairobi foam and some Gorilla Snot mixed together. That's what you see me tapping into on my hand. And I'm using my edge comb just to lay them down and mold them into place. I'm not the baby hair queen. I can get the job done, but nothing too elaborate. I prefer more of a natural look anyway. But you know, a few baby hairs never hurt nobody. Now that I've finished molding the baby hairs, I'm taking one of these black wrap strips, tying it around her to secure the edges in place while I complete the styling process. She is going to sit under the dryer with this to mold. But right now I'm just taking my shears and going in and adding a few face framing layers, some long layers, nothing too crazy, just something to add a little bit of shape to the hair. Side note, that other phone is in the frame because that's her phone. She's also recording her own content. We really both be going hard with recording content. If you like hair, beauty, makeup, lashes, get ready with me type videos on TikTok, definitely follow her page. It's linked in the description box. I already curled the hair, but I'm going back in and touching up the curls just to make sure that the style looks as perfect as it should and that the curls last her as long as possible. Okay, I want to share with y'all my professional opinion on this wig. We are not sponsored by ISEE Hair. I recommended that she purchase this wig because she's a college student looking for some affordable hair. You know, she likes what she likes, but doesn't necessarily have the budget for raw hair. So I've worked with this company before, and I like this company because the hair is real. Anybody that knows me knows that I do not typically recommend any of these affordable hair companies, mainly because the hair quality is usually trash. This particular company is an exception to my rule. The hair on this wig is real. The hair did not come black. The hair came the natural dark brown like it should come, to let me know that it's not processed, to let me know that it hasn't been dyed or anything to cover up any fillers or gray hairs that they're trying to add in the wig to make it fuller. The hair was definitely quality. And also, the hair held a curl. The hair held a curl much better than I expected. In addition to the hair quality, I'm very impressed with the construction of this wig. Unlike other affordable wig companies I've seen, this particular wig construction is on a dome cap, and I think that difference makes the cap fit a little bit more snug. It really fits as if it's a custom wig. Now, I will say this. She has a 21.5-inch circumference. With that being said, I feel like this unit is more so on the small to medium side. So if you have anything larger than a 22-inch circumference, it may not fit you that well. It may be tight. This unit is very snug on her. There's really not a lot of room left. So I have a hard time seeing someone with a larger head being able to squeeze in it comfortably. I'm not sure if they sell their wigs in different sizes or not, but definitely check out their website and see what options they have. Zooming in to get a close-up on the lace, everything is literally laying as flawlessly as it should. This wig definitely shocked me, considering I didn't even have to go over it and bleach the knots again. The only thing I did have to do was apply just a little bit of cream concealer on the bottom of the lace just to make sure it matched her skin tone. It's definitely perfect for somebody that needs a beginner-friendly wig. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment field. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.